Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy lesson 20. There is no need to memorize anything. Allow the English words to surround you slowly and calmly. You're doing really well. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen, do not repeat. Help, need, support, allow, stop, keep, hold, carry, bring, leave, return, follow. Good. Now we will listen again and then say the same words together. Listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Help, help, need, need, support, support, allow, allow, stop, stop, keep, keep, hold, hold, carry, carry, bring, bring, leave, leave, return, return, follow, follow. Very good. Take your time. Now we will listen to some joined words. You can say them with me if you like. Help me. Help you. Need help. I need. Support you. Support people. Allow me. Allow you. Stop now. Stop work. Keep going. Keep work. Hold this. Hold me. Carry this. Carry it. Bring it. Bring me. Leave early. Leave late. Return home. Return here. Follow me. Follow you. Excellent. Let us continue. Now, listen to a short, easy story using all of the 12 English words. Hello, friend. Today I feel a problem. I need help and support. You allow me to speak. We sit here and talk. You hold my hand. I carry this idea. You bring a good answer. We stop and think. Then we keep going. I leave the old way. I return home calm. I follow you. I feel good. Very good. Okay, let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Help, need, support, allow, stop, keep, hold, carry, bring, leave, return, follow. Very good. Okay, you have now reached the end of lesson 20. You did very well today. You should relax now, and I will see you for lesson 21. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.